In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Zapier with Google Sheets. Whether you're looking to automate your workflows or simply make your data management more efficient, this guide will be invaluable. Zapier, as you might know, connects with thousands of apps, and integrating Google Sheets is a straightforward process, just like connecting with any of the other supported apps. Let's dive right in. To start, open up your Zapier account. Once you've logged in, take a look at the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a sidebar with various options. Focus your attention on the App Connections section and give it a click. This section is your hub for viewing all the applications you currently have connected with Zapier. It's both practical and user-friendly. Once in your App Connections, shift your gaze towards the upper right corner. That's where you'll find the Add Connection button, waiting for you to click it. This step is crucial as it allows you to link new applications to your Zapier account. Next, you'll want to search for Google Sheets in the application list. The search functionality is there to save you time and help you find exactly what you're looking for without any hassle. Once you've typed in Google Sheets and located it in the search results, go ahead and select it. At this point, you'll be prompted to enter your login details for the Google account you wish to connect. Now, this is important. Make sure you're entering the correct details for the Google account associated with the sheets you're planning to use. Once you input your information, you may notice a new window or prompt guiding you through the process. Follow these instructions carefully. They might vary slightly depending on specific app permissions, but Zapier provides very clear guidance, making it easy to navigate. And that's it. By following these steps, you have successfully integrated Google Sheets with Zapier. This connection now allows you to incorporate Google Sheets into your Zaps, creating new automated workflows that can save you time and streamline your tasks. Whether you're setting up automated data entries or syncing spreadsheet information across platforms, the possibilities are expansive. So there you have it, a quick and user-friendly way to power up your productivity by getting Google Sheets and Zapier working together seamlessly. Feel free to explore the countless Zaps you can create now that you've established this connection. Happy automating, and until next time, enjoy making your digital life a little bit easier.